Hello my dear friend. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, especially if you've crossed the age of 50, improving circulation in your legs and feet. Have you ever felt that tingling or heaviness in your legs after a long day? That's completely normal as we age, but it's a reminder that our blood flow may not be as smooth as it once was. Now, we often think of circulation as something that just keeps our hearts healthy, but it plays a huge role in how comfortable our legs and feet feel, too. Here's the great news: boosting circulation doesn't require expensive medications or treatments. In fact, a few tweaks to your diet can make a massive difference. Did you know that many common foods in your kitchen can improve blood flow in a significant way? Let's go through 12 amazing foods that are known to enhance circulation, especially in your legs and feet. And don't worry, I'll explain how each of these foods can make a difference in your overall blood flow and help you feel more energized. Before we dive in, go ahead and like and subscribe. It means so much to us. I've done the legwork to bring you the best insights, and I'd love to hear what other topics you're curious about in the comments. Let's get started. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Let's start with foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for reducing inflammation in blood vessels. By reducing inflammation, these omega-3s make it easier for blood to flow, preventing blockages and clots. Think of omega-3s as the oil that keeps your body's gears moving smoothly. Some research even shows that people who consume fatty fish regularly have lower risks of blood clots, heart attacks, and even high blood pressure. Plus, fatty fish are packed with protein and essential vitamins like D and B12, which support overall vitality. 2. Walnuts. Next up, walnuts, a snack that's easy to add to your day and loaded with omega-3s and L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and helps blood flow easily down to your legs and feet. The anti-inflammatory effects of walnuts have been linked to heart health benefits, too, including reduced cholesterol and lowered blood pressure. Even a small handful of walnuts each day can go a long way in supporting circulation. 3. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. For those who enjoy a little sweetness, dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, is a treat that can benefit your circulation. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help your body produce more nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels. When blood vessels are relaxed, it's easier for blood to flow to the areas that need it most, including your legs and feet. Regularly consuming a small piece of dark chocolate may even support mental health by improving blood flow to the brain, a double win. 4. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids. These flavonoids not only improve blood flow by reducing inflammation but also help reduce oxidative stress, which protects your blood vessels over time. Studies show that people who consume a diet rich in berries can have improved heart health and circulation within a matter of weeks. Plus, they make a delicious snack or addition to a smoothie. 5. Garlic. Garlic is a true powerhouse when it comes to circulation. When you chop or crush garlic, it releases allicin, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and encourages blood flow. Studies suggest that consuming garlic regularly can also help reduce the risk of clot formation, which is crucial for keeping your blood flowing smoothly. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic benefit nearly every part of your body, from blood vessels to joint health, making it a great addition to almost any dish. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is another excellent choice. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties that help keep blood vessels healthy and circulation strong. Turmeric not only helps reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, but it also promotes healthy blood pressure levels, which aids in circulation. A pinch of turmeric in your meals or even a warm turmeric tea daily can be a fantastic way to support your blood flow. 7. Spinach. Spinach is high in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a powerful compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Nitrates in foods like spinach are known to help lower blood pressure, too, which makes it easier for blood to circulate throughout the body. Spinach is also packed with vitamin K, which strengthens bones and supports heart health, making it an all-around fantastic choice. 8. Beets. Beets are another nitrate-rich food that works wonders for circulation. Drinking beet juice or including beets in your meals can help to lower blood pressure in just a few hours. Beets are full of antioxidants that protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which is why athletes use beet juice to enhance blood flow to their muscles and boost performance. Imagine what they can do for your legs and feet. 9. Oranges. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessel walls and supports blood flow. Stronger blood vessels mean better circulation, especially in the legs and feet. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and helps protect cells, reducing swelling and aiding in healthier circulation. A daily orange or a glass of fresh orange juice can make a refreshing addition to your routine. 10. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenol, antioxidants that help keep blood vessels flexible and open, making it easier for blood to circulate. Pomegranate juice has even been found to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation in just a few weeks. It's an exotic, delicious choice that supports both heart and blood vessel health, making it a must-have addition to your diet. 11. Ginger. Ginger isn't just for adding a kick to your meals, it's also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit blood flow. The active compounds in ginger, like gingerol, help relax blood vessels and reduce the risk of clot formation. Regularly consuming ginger has been linked to improved circulation and heart health, making it an easy and tasty way to support your vascular health. 12. Celery. Last but not least, we have celery, a light, refreshing vegetable packed with nitrates. Like beets and spinach, the nitrates in celery help to widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Celery is also a hydrating snack that provides essential electrolytes, which support healthy blood pressure and circulation, especially as we age. Snack on it raw or add it to your meals for a circulation-friendly boost. And there you have it, 12 foods that can help boost circulation in your legs and feet. Including some of these foods in your meals each week is a small step with powerful benefits. Start small, be consistent, and soon you'll feel the improvements in your energy levels and overall wellness. And, of course, don't keep this valuable information to yourself. Share it with your friends and family so they, too, can benefit from these simple, impactful changes. To learn more about natural remedies in nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.